we have to find the value of 10 sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Okay. So obviously we need to convert both of them into 10 so that we can apply 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y. So in ninth class, if you remember how to convert sine inverse, now I will tell you very easy way. Otherwise, you have to remember the formula. There are two ways. Either you can directly remember this formula sine inverse, how to convert sine inverse into tan inverse. That formula is writing here sine. Directly you can remember, but remembering all formulas is difficult. Tan inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. So directly you can convert sine inverse 3 by 5 by using this formula one way. Other way I am explaining here, after that I will remove it. How to do this by easy way that we did in class 11th also. I think, so we will take theta, sine inverse 3 by 5. We will take sine inverse 3 by 5 as theta and draw a triangle by the Pythagoras theorem. We will find other two sides and find the value of 10. So we can convert sine into any angle, any inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse by using this way. So just remember this sine inverse. Suppose we have to convert sine inverse 3 by 5. This we are converting into 10. So we will suppose this is equal to theta. So 3 by 5 will be equal to sine theta. Okay. Now you have to draw right angle triangle. And sine theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be 5, perpendicular will be 3. Then by Pythagoras theorem, ABC, you can find BC. So BC square will be equal to AC square minus AB square 3 square. 5 square is 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. Therefore, BC will be equal to 4. So here we get 4. Okay. Now we can find this is the angle theta. So tan theta, what will be the value of tan theta? We have to convert it to tan inverse. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, perpendicular upon base, or opposite upon adjacent, whatever you want. So theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. You'll find the value of theta. So therefore we get theta, value of theta this, therefore comparing on we get sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. So directly we got the value of sine inverse 3 by 5 as tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay, got it? One way. Another way we can use direct formula. We can use direct formula also. So this will become tan inverse 3 by 4 plus, or second method is we can put x is equal to 3 by 5 here and solve these 3 by 5 here, and you can get the value of 10. Same answer will come. And cot inverse, cot is the opposite of 10. So whenever you have to convert cot, you can directly convert into the reciprocal. Cot inverse, no need to draw a triangle for inverse functions. Cot inverse is the reciprocal of 10, so we can write directly tan inverse 2 by 3. Only the value will be reciprocal. 3 by 2 will be written 2 by 3. So here we will write tan inverse 2 by. Okay, got it. So we got both the values in 10. Now we can use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula, as I told you, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So we can write as tan inverse x plus y 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4, 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Okay. Now see, do not cancel this 3 because then LCM will be different for numerator and denominator. Then again, you have to make it same and for cancelling. So in order to get the easy way of cancelling both the numerators, do not cancel this 3 and 3. You can directly take the LCM of numerator will also be 3 for the 12. LCM of numerator and denominator. Numerator is also 12, denominator is also 12. So 3 3 are 9 and 4 2 are 8 and 3 4 3 are 12. So here you will get 12 minus 3 2 are 6. So by doing this, you can easily cancel now 12 and 12. So you get 10 into 10 inverse 9 plus 8, 17 by 6. So answer is 17 by 6. Okay. So if you will cancel this 3 by 3, then 4 will be LCM. Then again, you have to convert 4 into 12. To avoid that one, we have to do like this. Okay. Now we have one objective question, question number 19. Again, value. So we have to check according to range cos 7 pi by 6. Cos 7 pi by 6. So cos range of cos is 0 to 2 pi. Hmm. So we have to reduce this. Obviously, pi by 6 means 30 degree. 7 3 is 21, 210. It is not between these two values, between the range of cos. So therefore, we have 0 to pi. What is the range of cos is 0 to pi. Both are included. So we can write it as, now reduce this. 5 we can write as 2 pi. 2 pi plus, not plus, minus 5 pi by 6. 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. 6 to the 12. 12 minus 5, 7. So cos 2 pi means 360 plus theta first quadrant. So it will become cos inverse first quadrant cos 360, fourth quadrant 360 minus theta. So all silver tick up here. Cos is positive, so it will be positive. Cos 5 pi by 6, inverse and cos will cancel. We get 5 pi by 6. Check 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. 5 by 6 means 30 degree. 5 is 15. So 150 degree. Yes, it is between 0 to 180 degree. Correct? So we can write 5 pi by 6 is the answer. 5 pi by 6 D is the answer of this question. So only you should know the formula here. That's enough for this question. Conditions are always satisfied. So left hand side you have cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13. Obviously, you have to prove then this these conditions will be followed, otherwise you cannot prove it. So this should be proved by using the formula. We can have the formula of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. I will write here whatever formula we are using here. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse bracket xy, because cos will come together here. That's why root terms will come together. In sin 1, if x is in the root term, then y will not be in the root term. The first term, and second term is like that only. Okay, so cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, xy minus under root x square minus y square. This formula you have to apply here. So this will become cos inverse x into y. X is 4 by 5 into y. Y is 12 by 13. Okay. Then minus under the root 1 minus x square, 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square into under root 1 minus y square. Y is minus 12 by 13 whole square. Okay. Now solve this whole square. So then we get cos inverse 5, 13 the 65, and 12 for the 48 minus. Solve this under root 5, 5 the 25. Actually, this will the LCM will be 25. Here you will get 25 minus 4 for the 16. Okay. Similarly, here square root of 13 is 169. So here 169 minus 12 square is 144. Then cos inverse 48 upon 65. 25 minus 16 will be 9. So 9 upon 25 under root 169 upon minus 144 is 25 divided by 169. Now square root, you can put the square root. Both are the perfect squares. So 48 by 65 minus 9 square is 3. 25 is 5. Again 5 upon 13. Okay. Again 5 do not cancel. You can have 55 as the outright LCM. So 48 upon 65 minus 65. 5 into 13, 65, and 5 3 is 15. Okay. Now you can write directly 65 as the LCM. So 48 minus 15 is equal to 33. Cos inverse 33 by 65. Okay, 33 by 65. That is equal to right hand side. What we have to bring? 33 upon 65, which is equal to right hand side. is our left hand side. So hence it is verified. Okay. So next question you will take from sine formula, but there you have to convert cos into sine, and then you can solve it. Here we have left hand side cos inverse, sine inverse, and right hand side is sine inverse. So we will take left hand side. Obviously, left hand side is expanded one. So we have what cos inverse 12 by 13 plus sine inverse 3 by 5. So this cos should be converted into sine, and then we will use the formula for sine. So how to convert cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to theta. So cos theta will be equal to 12 by 13. Now draw triangle, right angled triangle, and this is your theta angle. So this is base, base is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. 12 upon 13, so uh, this is AB. So AB square will be equal to 13 square 169 minus 12 square 144. That is 25. So 5. Here you get 5. So we have to convert to sine. So sine inverse sine theta will be equal to 5 upon 13. Hmm. So 5 upon 13. So theta will be equal to 5 upon sine inverse 5 upon 13. So 5 upon 13. So we can write cos inverse as sine inverse 5 upon 13. So write sine inverse 5 upon 13 plus sine inverse 3 by 5. Now use the formula sine inverse x plus sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse sine inverse x and under root 1 minus y square. Sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus will come here. Then y into under root 1 minus x square. Okay. This formula will be applied here. So we get sin inverse x, x is 5 by 13 under the root 1 minus y is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square plus 5. What is y? 3 by 5 under root 1 minus x square means 5 by 13 whole square. So we get sine inverse. Now solve this one. We get 5 by 13 and 5 square is 25. So 25 will be the LCM. Here 25 will come. 3 is 9 plus 3 by 5. Again LCM of this 13 is 169. So this will be 169 minus 5 is 25. Sine inverse 5 by 13. So 25 minus 9 is 16, correct? And the LCM and the square root of 16 is 4 and the square root of 25 is 5 plus 3 by 5 into 169 minus 25, 144, and square root of 144 is 12, and square root of 169 is 13. Again 5 13 is 65, so we can write sine inverse 5 4 is 20, 5 13 is 65, 20 upon 65 plus 36, 12 3 is 36 upon 65, then it will become sine inverse 20 plus 36 56 upon 65, that is equal to right hand side. Right. So hence true.